Hi guys, welcome back to our 365 days Canva design challenge, and today is our day number 12. So as we go, we keep getting a lot of really positive feedbacks from those who watch our videos, and I'm really thankful that these tutorials has been really helpful for your freelancing journey. So today is another exciting topic because on our day 12, we're going to talk about how you can add music to your post. So, why is this important for us, like social media managers? Because when you are handling a social media account, one of the things that you're really passionate and curious about is how to boost the engagement of your post. So, I believe that videos have more engagement rate than a specific pictures. So why? Because the engagement count is not about the number of likes, but the number of views. So if you're gonna add a quick animation or quick uh, uh, music, it will your post will be in a MP4 format, right? So every time people play or every time people scroll to your timeline, and even if it's like just 2 seconds to 5 seconds, the view count will be counted as the engagement. Okay, and also additional to that is the likes and the comment section of your post. So right now, this tutorial is gonna be pretty quick. Might be the quickest tutorial that we could ever have, but I believe this is gonna be one of the things that you will apply once you're creating posts for your client. So if you're excited, let's go to my screen and let's start this very quick tutorial. So as you can see, there are a lot of templates already in Canva, but just like what I told you before, it your clients appreciate if you start from scratch. But if you're still learning how to design, you can see a lot of um, templates here, just like this one. So as you can see, this is animated like the cat has its like a moving animation on the side, and then this blob effect is also moving, and this one also has a the text also has animation, so everything has movements. So since our post is mp4, here is one of the ways to add music to add more excitement and flavor to your post. So you just have to click on your post and go to the audio section of Canva, and then there you can choose a lot. There's a lot of free. I mean, not all free, but for pro versions. I don't know if there's a free one, but I guess all of these are pro version. So yeah, okay, so let's say we're gonna have happy music. So there will be a lot of suggestions here. Okay, I don't know if you can hear this, but I will add a quick video on the editing of this if it's not too if you cannot recognize the sound. So here I'm gonna add this music to this post. So okay. Now that if you can see that if it's playing here, it means that this part of the video, since this post is around 7 seconds, um, it will automatically pick up the same amount of, uh, it will automatically trim itself to fit into your post. But you can also move that here if you wanted the other parts of the music to use. So there you go. Let's say this is my chosen music, part of the music. So okay. And so now we already have an animated post, and we also added a music to our post. So if you want to preview what it would look like, all you have to do is click this play button here, like that, and then there you will have a quick preview of what it would look like once it's live on your posts. So if you can't hear this one, I'm gonna add it here. Okay, let's play that 7 seconds here. And then there you have it. You already have added music to your post. So you can still explore a lot of things here because there are a lot of templates here. As you can see, it says here animated Instagram post. Usually, when I add music, the format of my post should be animated or in MP4 format. So it's some quick videos that you have. So as you can see here, there's a lot of beautiful templates that you can use. Here you go. And you can also do your personalized, because when I click for, let's say, blob effect and animation, I'm sorry. Let's go here. blob blob animation. Okay, so all I have to do is go here, and as you can see, we can have a lot of options here. Okay, so while the music is playing, you can actually add quick animations to your posts like this. There. So I think I will have another session for the animated elements here on Canva. But today our topic will be just about adding music to your post. So yeah, this is exciting, right? So that's it for today. I believe you already know how to add music, and yeah, let's maximize our pro version. If you already upgraded that on Canva, and you can see a lot of genre here. You have epic, you have travel, you have trap music, piano, YouTube, happy, instrumental, cinematic. So just choose something that fits to your chosen post or topic, and then blend or align that to the music that you're gonna choose. So you can also like save the title, and then so that the next time you use the music, all you have to do is search the title here on the search engine of the audio section. So that's it for today. I'm gonna see you tomorrow again for another topic on how to use Canva for your freelancing career. So bye bye and have a wonderful day.